For asset operators, your team can have dynamic working locations, making it difficult to access and process data. Being constantly on the move, your team rely on laptops, where the analysis speed is limited by the laptop's hardware. Here is the Akselos dashboard main page, where you can easily access all of your assets. Let's say your engineers want to perform an assessment of a reactor vessel. They can simply send a request to the dashboard. They will have all the information that they need to operate the asset. They can repeat this process for multiple assets to ensure they are fit for service in full compliance with code. Akselos dashboard will return the full results as well as an industry standard report. Now the engineers can take these results and take action as necessary. For example, updating the inspection program or maintenance activities. Reports are shared with other departments or people at the click of a button. With Akselos dashboard, users can access and analyze their digital twins throughout cloud-based solutions from anywhere and for all your site. We can also analyze the asset's fatigue life for future maintenance plan. You can run this analysis with the click of a button and auto-generate reports in full compliance with standard. Managing your facility's workflow is easy and transparent. To learn more, simply visit www.akselos.com.